Hi there, and thank you for tuning into our video. My name is Hope Dorman, and I'm a member of the marketing team here at Houzz. Today, we have a special guest, one of our Houzz editors, who will share insights from the 2020 Houzz Bathroom Trends Study. Erin Carlyle is here with us. She is a Houzz editor and has been with Houzz for 4 years. We're excited to hear her take on the latest study data. Erin, thank you so much for joining us.
It's great to be here. Thank you, Hope.
So, in this webinar, we'll discuss the following areas of the 2020 Bathroom Trends Study. First, look and feel, project spend, then motivations. First, let's cover trends. Erin, what design styles were most popular for bathroom renovations in the last year?
The most popular design styles for renovated bathrooms tend to be clean lined and very current looks. So those include modern, which was chosen by 20% of homeowners renovating their bathrooms, as well as transitional, which had 18%, and contemporary, which also got 18%. This is a change from last year when transitional was the number one style pick and modern was second. And this year, about 12% of remodeling homeowners chose traditional style, and 5% are picking farmhouse style.
It's interesting that modern overtook transitional to be the most popular style, like it was in the 2018 study. On a related note, what colors were more prevalent in the recent bathroom remodels?
Yes, that's a great question. And white is still the most common color across the board. It comes in most popular for vanities, for countertops, and for in and out of the shower walls. And then after that, gray is second place for walls. And these results are pretty much in line with what we saw in the 2019 study. But one notable difference from the 2018 study is that that year, gray was the most popular for walls and flooring.
I think that means we'll see a lot more of those all white bathrooms that have started to pop up in photos on House. Next, let's focus on different design elements. What design features did homeowners incorporate into their bathroom remodels?
Well, accent walls, as we all know, come and go in home design, and right now they are definitely here. In fact, nearly 2 in 5 homeowners remodeling their master bathrooms add an accent wall. Some homeowners place it outside the shower, about 19% do that, and others put it in the shower, about 18% choose to place their accent wall within the shower. And homeowners try to make these accent walls distinct, and the most popular way that they do so is by the surface material that they choose. So 51% pick a distinctive surface material, perhaps a tile or a stone that's different from the room's other walls. Other strategies for making the accent wall distinct include using color, which 45% of renovating homeowners do, using pattern, that got 41%, or texture, which 28% of homeowners look to make these accent walls distinct. And in terms of color for the accent wall, a very sizable share of homeowners improving their master bathrooms with an accent wall chose blue, that's 19%, and more than 1 in 10 go with multicolored accent wall.
With so many all white bathrooms, having an accent wall can break up those otherwise monochromatic bathrooms. Now, I think our audience would love to know, what is the latest in the shower versus bathtub debate?
Yes, that is an interesting one to follow, and showers do seem to be rising in appeal compared with tubs. Fully half of remodeled master bathrooms don't have a tub after they are remodeled. And this is because homeowners remove the tub in about 23% of remodeled bathrooms, and another 20% of those rooms don't have tubs in the first place, and homeowners don't add them. And this is actually the first time we've seen this result where half of remodeled master bathrooms don't have tubs since 2014, when we've been tracking this data for all these years.
With the popularity of aging in place, I can't say I'm surprised that showers are getting more and more common in master bathrooms. And when homeowners do remove the bathtub, what do they put in its place?
Well, we found that when homeowners remove the bathtub, almost 4 in 5 of them choose to enlarge the shower, though this is lower than it was actually last year. And nearly 1 in 10 choose to enlarge a vanity or a sink or cabinetry after removing the tub.
That's great to get an update on bathroom trends. So now let's move on to section two, project spend. What did this year's study find regarding how much homeowners are spending on their bathroom remodels?
Well, the median national spend on master bathroom remodels remained consistent at $8,000 in 2019. We did notice in the data that master bathroom projects that include a shower upgrade also coincide with a higher price tag than those that don't. So homeowners whose remodels include a shower upgrade have a median spend quite a bit higher at 14,000. And homeowners who don't touch the shower spend just a median of 4,500, which is just one third of the median price tag for remodeling if you do include the shower upgrade. And I just want to remind anyone listening to this webinar that median refers to the midpoint spending level nationally, and it is self-reported by homeowners. And as the midpoint spending level, it indicates that half of renovating homeowners spend more and half spend less. It includes all types of master bathroom remodeling projects. Obviously, prices can really vary and be much higher than this median price point.
It does seem as if a lot of these projects are lower in cost than perhaps what people in the industry might expect or might charge for a remodel. So, how does that in turn match up with professional hiring?
Well, we do see that over 8 in 10 homeowners hire at least one type of professional for their bathroom remodels. So, really, only 2 in 10 are total DIY projects. And the most popular type of professional to hire is a general contractor. After that, it's bathroom remodeler, then a specialty contractor like an electrician, plumber, tile specialist, cabinet makers, and other tradespeople without a project manager.
That's great that homeowners are bringing on project managers to handle these remodels. Now, getting into the final area on the agenda, motivations. What does the report show us about why homeowners remodeled their bathrooms?
Well, the study found that the main reason people move forward with a bathroom remodel is because they wanted to do it all along and they finally had the means. And that reason has actually increased in popularity over the last few years. And some of the other motivations include the homeowner not being able to stand the old bathroom or bathrooms deteriorating or breaking down. And we can also see from the list of pet peeves that people renovating their master bathrooms list that an old and outdated bathroom is by far the top issue homeowners had with their old bathrooms. And following that, they're concerned about functional limitations.
It's interesting that there continues to be this pent up demand for bathroom remodels. And I think the reasons for remodels and pet peeves also speak to the age of the housing stock in the United States. The most recent American Community Survey found that the average house in the United States is 37 years old, so lots of bathrooms are going to be due for style and or function upgrades. And finally, can you tell us more about what homeowners are changing about their bathrooms in their renovations?
Well, more than half are upgrading systems and the shower size, and about 4 in 10 change the layout or they modify walls. But just 20% increase the size of the bathroom, which is an interesting finding. Um, and a very small percentage are modifying the ceiling, the flooring, or changing the location of the bathroom. And in terms of motivations for taking on bathroom renovations, 2 in 5 homeowners actually report using their freshly renovated master bathrooms to rest and to relax. We found that cleanliness, lack of clutter, and freshness are the key ingredients for creating a relaxing bathroom sanctuary.
I think that's a little ironic that many homeowners want to relax in their bathroom, but we're also seeing bathtubs become less popular. But I wanted to follow up on the changes that the study found. As you said, just 20% of bathroom renovations included an increase in size. Why do you think that is?
Well, it may be explained by the fact that most master bathrooms are already pretty large. 3 in 5 are 100 square feet or more.
That definitely makes a lot of sense. They have no need for more space. Well, that brings us to the end of our questions. So, Erin, before we wrap up, do you have any final thoughts you'd like to share?
Yes, Hope, as you know, our Q4 barometer is now out and it really has some exciting findings for professionals. Our results show that business demand, business expectations, everything is back to pre pandemic levels. And we're seeing that pros have really responded to this year with adjusting their business to meet the current environment, collaborating with their homeowners remotely, doing video consultations, using project management software to streamline their businesses and make remote collaboration more effective. And so it's encouraging news and a great time to be a professional. We're finding that demand is really strong.
That's super encouraging, and we definitely recommend that you check out the barometer report. Well, thank you, Erin, so much for joining us, giving your take on this latest study. And for anyone who'd like to read our data, you can find it at houzz.com/research. And of course, thank you to all who tuned in. We appreciate you spending part of your day with us, virtually, of course. And we hope you'll join us for our future Houzz webinars.